A bird flu outbreak has been detected in Oklahoma, marking the 13th state in the US affected by this significant outbreak. The virus strain has led to the culling of millions of poultry to prevent further spread. The outbreak is causing major concerns among farmers and health officials due to its impact on both animal and public health. Measures are being taken to contain the virus and monitor its potential spread to other regions. The situation is being closely watched by authorities to mitigate risks and ensure food safety.